Good morning. It's Dr. Dillon Hammes from Total Health Chiropractic, and I want to show you how to make the best bulletproof coffee ever. First things first, the beans. Coffee is one of the most contaminated beans on the planet, and it's loaded with pesticides, herbicides, insecticides. By the time it gets to your house, it's usually already got mold on it. So the testing on beans isn't super strict, and most people go for the cheaper stuff. The brand I'm using today is still affordable, but it's not the cheap stuff. It's called Kion brand. It's super tasty and really high quality. Right up there with it is a brand called Bulletproof. It was a brand started by Dave Asprey, the creator of Bulletproof Coffee, which is what we're making here today. So I just happen to be using Kion beans today. Also, another cool thing to remember with coffee, the darker the bean, the less caffeine. Yeah, I know, it sounds crazy, but look it up. Dark beans have been roasted longer and hold less caffeine overall. So I personally go with the medium roast, and if you want to use the exact same ingredients that I am, I have an Amazon page that shows the best coffee ever ingredients. It's going to be in the description. From here is really simple though. You're going to add 1 to 2 tablespoons of grass-fed ghee butter, like this, and then 1 to 2 tablespoons of Mct oil. This stuff here is like the secret sauce. It's the fat that's going to hold you over your morning fast and give you energy all morning that burns slow. It also is going to help you get and maintain that state of ketosis, which is a really great place to be. Last thing I add is some collagen protein to it. I just add 1 scoop. It's flavorless, it's odorless, and it's a vital nutrient for many reasons. Collagen is good for your hair, skin, nails, joints. It's good for your ligaments, your tendons, your muscles. It's good for your digestive lining too. Many things. Like the other elements of my coffee, quality matters. I'm using a brand called Ancient Nutrition as far as the collagen here goes. Bulletproof is another really good brand as well. And also with collagen, you need 2 to 3 servings of collagen per day ideally. And so this is just a really great start to your day. Now, last, you notice I'm stirring it up with a spoon. It's actually supposed to be blended to be best absorbed. If that's not possible, or if it's too much work, you can use a mason jar and shake it up in there like I'm about to do. So you just dump it in your mason jar, close the lid, and in case you made more coffee than I did, just tighten it up here. I use the same jar that I'm using for my Dakota Daily Detox too, since I do it right before I have my coffee anyways. Now, this may not be something that everybody loves. It truly works best when you're doing intermittent fasting to help hold you over until lunch. If you have some sweetener, what I personally like to use is some Manuka Honey. This honey is made from bees that drink from the tea tree plant. So it's got some of the same health benefits as tea tree oil, but it's actually safe to ingest. I love this stuff and you might too. So try it out, let me know what you think, and if you want to get the same ingredients that I use, just click that link in the Amazon link in the description, and hit me up with any questions that you may have. And also feel free to share my stuff with your friends, family members, anybody who needs to see it. So thanks for watching, and keep smiling.